the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world works. And then also, much love to those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's time to re-educate. Keep it coming. Much love. And then also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love. Keep it coming. Do not forget the New World Order cryptos are in my Patreon. Plus, I keep you up to date for the New World Order events. And then also, those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. Right now, the market is flat. But what do we have going on today? That's right, the committee, the CEOs, and I'm going to go over that later. Now, make sure you are paying attention to the actual indicators. Guys, we're still in this open interest period. We know as soon as the weekend comes, we are the only game in town. So, guys, you're talking about volume, Tether, USDC. And then plus the Fed. And as we see with these trillions of dollars being pumped in on a daily basis, manipulating yields, we know the Fed is controlling stocks and in cryptos. We know we're going to be headed down, guys. I know we don't want to hear it, but definitely they're going to start shrinking this balance sheet. And then once they shrink the balance sheet, then they can raise rates. But they have that secret weapon, that secret message, crypto, for the solution. We know what's about to happen, guys. Robots, algorithms, and drones take humanity out the picture. And then what does the New World Order do? Pacify you with free money until they get you inside of that metaverse. Now we have also Grayscale manipulating the actual market. We saw them sell big. Now they're starting to pick up bond. Guys, it's the same game. Only thing you have to do is pay attention to the actual manipulation and you will be fine. And we had Luna hitting all-time highs. But getting over into the actual crypto news, guys, we have the crypto CEOs in Capitol Hill. And what's going on right now, guys? We know the New World Order is going through steps. We know they have to take you through the steps. We already know China is already ready. We know a lot of the emerging markets are already ready. But America now, it's time to bring them on. We know the foundation of America has already been laid. Now it's time to activate. We know 2022. We know ISO is going to come in effect. We know we're going to have global regulation and then also a global payment system for the internet. So we have the digital yuan, which is going to be the new world reserve currency. Remember, these CBDCs, whatever, stablecoins, whatever you want to call them, are just as cash. And then, of course, we'll have cryptos for the robots, algorithms, and drones so they can pay each other. But with these crypto CEOs, now crypto is going to get this spotlight in America, and we know what Congress is going to do. Do what? That's right. Play the Hegelian dialectic, so therefore they can move it fast. We know why they printed all this money. We know why we have these big infrastructure bills, because, guys, we're going into the 4th Industrial Revolution. Now we have 3 arrows buys 156,000 worth of Ethereum after the CEO talked about Ethereum. And also, guys, we have Visa announces new crypto consultant service for merchants and banks. And we know, guys, it's time to educate because we know we're about to go into a new digital economy where the payments are going to be cheaper and faster. But eventually, all these small banks are going to be gone. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. But we know when it comes to the Fed, they're going to incentivize them at first. Then they're going to disappear. Now we have Fidelity and Nexo are entering institutional lending market. And guys, in the legacy market, we know how important lending is. And it's still going to be the same thing in crypto. How do banks make money? That's right. Fees, guys, is not going to change. Now we have Binance Singapore arm acquires 18% stake in private stock exchange. And guys, we know for a little while the Binance movie, that's all we heard, was bad news. Do not fall for the Hegelian dialectic, guys. Now we have Dogecoin and Ethereum ranking top 10 news search on Google in 2021. But guys, we know that's how they pushed adoption. When it comes to Dogecoin, Shiba, and then also Ethereum, it has definitely helped adoption. We know NFTs definitely helped Ethereum, and adoption is just going to keep picking up steam. Now we have Sienna Swap adds Bitcoin and Monero trading pair and push for privacy-focused DeFi. And guys, with this digital economy, we know privacy is going to be out the window. So these privacy coins protocols are going to be very, very important. Now we have the French fintech startup Lydia raises $100 million in Series C funding round. Also, we have Dan Taprio's 10T will launch $500 million fund for late-stage crypto firm. And guys, we're constantly seeing hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars being thrown at crypto. Now we have the SBI announces crypto joint venture with Swiss Digital Exchange 6. And if you have not watched my Society 5.0 videos, please go watch them so therefore you understand. When it comes to the Japanese guys, this was already planned a long time ago in San Francisco. Remember, when it comes to America, guys, we funded all the technology that these emerging markets are coming up with. Now we have the former Google CEO joins Chainlink Labs as a strategic advisor. And guys, we know what the New World Order does. They move the chess pieces, the same chess pieces, because they know what the New World Order agenda is. And then lastly, guys, we have DraftKings Marketplace plans to launch a gamified NFT collection next NFL season, partnering with NFL players. And guys, remember the crypto teacher told you this. When it comes to virtual reality, you won't need any more athletes. Yes, the athletes right now are getting paid to push the actual agenda, but they're actually pushing for their actual demise. And I've been over it time and time again. We look at the politicians today with the CEOs of crypto. Eventually, these politicians are going to be replaced by blockchain. But who did it, guys? That's right, we did it. We allowed this to go on. The technology is definitely going to replace humanity in the workforce. It's not even a question about it. Get your friends and family educated, because the crypto teacher knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel. Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, their own stocks is C-Word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.